Hi, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to fix video is being processed on TikTok. Why do you want to know how to fix video is being processed on TikTok? And I'm not sure, but I think you are getting this problem again and again. No worries guys, in this video I will show you how to fix video is being processed on TikTok. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So the first thing we have to do, we have to just go to the Play Store here, and after going to the Play Store, in the place of, if you have to just search the Instagram in the search bar, and right now TikTok is not available in my country, that's why in the place of open, if you get this option of update, then update the app right now. And the second thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Google and you have to check the internet speed test. So just write the speed test in the search browser and click on run speed test, and it will show you. So if you're getting this Mbps speed, that is great, but otherwise if you are getting the very low speed, then it is your problem of internet. And if your internet speed is pretty good, then also you're getting this facing issue, then just click and hold. Go to the app info management, and here you have to go to the storage usage, clear the cache, and just reopen the app. If it worked perfectly fine, then it's great. Otherwise you have to clear the data. After clearing the data, it will definitely fix your problem, because it will delete and unload all the unnecessary files which is present on your mobile application, and that's it. It will perfectly fix it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix video is being processed on TikTok, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix video is being processed on TikTok, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.